Today I'll show you how to assemble the CAP Barbell Plyometric Box in about 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need 2 side plates, 2 top plates, 2 bottom plates, and 36 hex screws. For tools, use a screwdriver or an electric drill. You'll need a hex attachment size 7/14. Since there are a lot of screws, I recommend using an electric one. Start with one bottom plate. Make sure the inches indicator is facing the outside. Take the first side plate and line it up with the bottom plate. Make sure all holes align properly. Insert the middle screw first and tighten it. Do not over-tighten. Now rotate the assembled part. Attach the second side plate the same way. Align the holes and tighten the middle screw. Next, add 2 more screws on the top of the back panel and tighten them. Rotate the box again. Add the next side panel. Insert the screws, make sure everything lines up and tighten them. Rotate one more time and add the final side panel. Fasten all screws evenly. Once all panels are attached, check for any empty holes. Add the remaining screws and tighten them. Make sure everything is secure, but do not over-tighten. You don't want to crack the wood. And that's it. Your plyometric box is fully assembled. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more quick setup guides.